Welcome to the video tutorials for Silks Bio. In this video, we will go over how to set up remote server on the Silks Bio interface. For this tutorial, you will need the URL or the IP address to your remote server. Hopefully, you'll also have a username and a password. Additionally, you should have paths to installations for Silks Bio directory, Gromax directory, and Python environment on the server. You should also have any extra environment setup you typically use or your IT person has recommended. The information discussed in this video is also available on our documentation website docs.silksbio.com. You can go to quick start, then go to graphical user interface quick start, and then go to remote server setup. Let's get started with setting up passwordless entry to the remote server. We will make sure we have a SSH key pair. Then we will see how we can copy the SSH key to remote server, and then we will set up a simple config file for easy SSH access. Okay, we have a terminal window open and in our home directory. Then we move to .ssh directory. There we list the file starting with ID and we can see the SSH key pair files. At this point we can use the ssh-coffee -id command to copy to remote server. You will add username and server IP address here. After that you will be asked for the password once and then you're good to go. I'm not going to do it as I already did it. Then we create a config file in the SSH directory. The same information about the remote server will be added like IP address, username, port, and path to SSH key. We save this file and we can SSH the server without password. And there you go.
Now let's add a new server configuration to the GUI. First, open the Silks Bio GUI and you will see the Setup and the General section at the left bottom side. There, we will click on the Setting and the Remote Server Configuration. In the next page, you'll find yourself already in the Server section. If you click on the first item, Remote Server, you will get a drop-down menu, and we are going to click on the Add New Server Configuration. Here we will be filling some information about server URL or IP address, username, and the installation passes. Let's start by adding the server name of choice. We have also collected the IP address and the passes, and we will copy it into the page here. Now we can click Save and enter password manually as an option, but we can also set up passwordless access with our SSH. More help is available if you click on the question mark at the end of line. As you can see, it points to the IDRSA file in your SSH directory. So we are going to click on Select File and open the IDRSA file, and then we will click Save. You can also uncheck the Make Default Server box if you don't want this as your default option. Once you hit Save, you will see a pop-up window where all the connections and the passes will be verified. If everything goes well, you will see a green button saying Server Setting Passed. Click it to complete the setup. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you next time.